Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you and show to you on how to buy Goldcake and why I choose Goldcake. This token is just a newly created project last April and newly listed in Pancake Swap. And if we are going to visit the Twitter of GoldPancake Swap, it has a lot of followers and a community of crypto enthusiasts are following this project. I like the website, this one. They just started April 2021. And good thing I bought at pre-sale and I already took profit a while ago. But this time it's already getting dumped, so you can still buy at a very cheap price. Okay, so let's start on how to buy Gold Pancake Swap. Okay, of course, you need to go to your Trust Wallet account. As you can see, I have $454.34 worth of BNB Smart Chain. And take note, if you don't have Smart Chain BNB balance, you can buy BNB Smart Chain in P2P in Binance Exchange. Okay, let's go to Binance. As you can see, I have a BNB balance. Just click this BNB, then click withdraw and choose the network, this button. Choose BEP20 BSC, not BEP2. But if you don't have yet a balance of BNB coin, all you need to do is go to P2P and you can buy in P2P trading. This one, this button. Okay, click this BNB and you can choose the limit of amount that you want to buy. Okay, here. And if you want to buy USDT, just click this button. But if you are going to buy BNB, just to transfer it to your Trust Wallet, just click this BNB and choose the merchant that you want to buy a coin. Okay, so let's go back to my Trust Wallet because I already have BNB Smart Chain coin. Okay, I am now here in my Trust Wallet account. Make sure, guys, that you have BNB Smart Chain for you to use it every time you have a transaction in your Pancake Swap. So click dApps. Then let's go to Pancake Swap, this one. If you don't know the website of Pancake Swap, just type exchange.pancakeswap or pancakeswap.finance. But I already have it in my history, so I will just click the website in my history. And of course, you must connect your wallet and use the Smart Chain network. This one, just click this button. Okay, but I already connected my wallet, so I will proceed to the tutorial how to buy Goldcake token. Okay, let's choose BNB as the source of fund. Then click this currency. Then of course, if you cannot search the name of the token, just get the contract address and paste it here. So what I'm going to do is paste the contract address. Okay, click add. If it is not yet added, click add. Then click the token. Okay, I'm just going to buy 0.7 BNB worth of Goldcake. Then click this button. Okay, choose 0.1%. We will try 0.1% slippage tolerance. Okay, then click swap. Okay, then accept. Confirm swap. Okay, so 0.1% slippage tolerance is accepted, and they will deduct network fee worth 0.49 cents dollar or 0.00080491 BNB. Total gold token to be purchased is 429.46 US dollar. Then click approve. Okay, let's wait. Click this button. Okay, so I already bought 3,510 gold cake worth of 0.7 BNB. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, click subscribe, click notification bell so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you and have a good day.